Welcome to FXStreet. If you like the content we are producing, you like the material we're putting out, and you would like to be updated to it on a regular basis, head on over to YouTube, hit the subscribe button, and you can follow me individually on Twitter at JustAnalysis1. Taking a look here at MATIC Polygon, I tell you, this has been a weird looking chart. So one of the patterns that I love, is the rising wedge. And the falling wedge. I mean, they're just very, very overwhelmingly, bullish patterns and bearish patterns. So the rising wedge being an overwhelmingly bearish pattern. What's very peculiar about this one is that it has been rejected higher now 3 different times. Maybe if you could maybe consider it 4, but at least 3 times it's been rejected higher, and it come back into the wedge, which is often a very bearish event. Often you see it really sell off after that, but that hasn't happened. Instead, in the middle of November, it started to find support, traded up, and then we really saw it kind of outperform everybody. Even during that flash crash, it just kind of rallied and pushed on higher here, got close to some new all-time highs, moving all the way up to 2.58ish. And then we saw it pull back down, bounced off of the bottom of that trend line again. And here's where we're kind of sitting. So is it going to keep moving lower? I have no idea. But if it does, I'm positioned for it because there is a trade setup here, a hypothetical, theoretical short setup where I'm looking for a short entry where the daily close would be at, I should probably make that a little bit 1.61. There we go. The daily close needs to be at or just slightly below 1.61. And the stop on that is up at 180 and the target is down at 118 and 118.5. Now, the entry, if it occurs, does 2 things. First, it would be the first bearish close below this trend line in quite a while, but also it would convert or it would create the condition known as in Ichimoku analysis known as an ideal bearish Ichimoku breakout entry, which is one of the most sought after short conditions if you're looking for an entry. So that's where that would be. But I mean, it has defended this support line for a while, and if it moves up again, certainly if it has a close above 242, then we'll likely see it just continue to push on higher and likely to continue on making new all-time highs. It has a lot of support down below. There's a ton of accumulation in the volume profile between 150 and 187. So yeah, I mean, looking at the volume profile, MATIC has an easier time moving up than it does moving down. And that seems to have been the case over the last couple months. We'll keep an eye on it and update it as needed. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.